How team members work on jobs. Working on jobs in TaxDome helps you prioritize tasks, centralize your workflow, and gain real-time insights. Once a job is assigned to you, it appears on your Insights page. You'll see your jobs categorized into 4 groups: overdue, approaching deadline, no activity, and total. This structure helps you prioritize tasks effectively and track your progress. For this example, the newly assigned job is listed in the Total group. Clicking on it will open a new tab, directing you to the Job section in the Workflow menu. Here, you'll find a list of all active jobs assigned to you. Alternatively, you can view all jobs in the Calendar view. Each job card contains all relevant job details. When you open a job card, you can edit job details, reassign the job, change its pipeline stage. You'll also see linked elements such as tasks, invoices, organizers, and service history for the client. You can always find out if there are any linked elements that are pending unfinished elements in the Kanban view or on the job card to make sure that tasks are completed in time and there are no delays. You can identify unfinished elements by checking the counter on the right side of the job card. For instance, in this example, I have an overdue job with 1 unfinished linked element. I can see which items need to be completed right at the top of the card. You can track the time spent on a job. Inside the job card, click the Track Time button and enter a description. The timer appears at the top of all TaxDome pages. Click on it to edit, pause, or complete the time entry as needed. Once completed, your time entry will appear in the Billing section. You can edit it, add a service, mark it as billable, and adjust the time if needed, then click Save. If time entry was started from a job card, it will be linked to it automatically. However, you can link any time entry to a job right from a job card. If multiple time entries are linked to a single job, the total time spent will be displayed on the job card.